Quality built home in the beautiful Laurel Glen subdivision in Hartwell. Curb and gutters, underground utilities with city water, gas and trash pickup. All mailboxes with gas lights. Beautiful 4-bedroom 3-bath, 2,306 square foot custom built home with spacious open floor plan. This home features vaulted great room with stone, gas fireplace and hardwood floors. Light and bright kitchen/breakfast room, features black appliances with a gas stove, as well as a built-in microwave, dishwasher and refrigerator. Quartz countertops with plenty of counter space and storage. Spacious master suite with vaulted ceiling overlooks private fenced-in backyard. Walk-in shower with his and her vanities plus a large walk-in closet. Exterior features include a covered front and back porch plus a new open deck. Side entry 2-car attached garage which leads through the mud room and to the kitchen area. Mature landscaping with professional